Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashwat Singh, and in this video I'll be demystifying my college dashboard that I use to manage my college applications. And at the end of the video I'll also be revealing where I'm going to college, so stay tuned for that. So now let's get right into the video. My highly complex and intertwined system contains of actually just two apps, Notion and Google Drive. That's it. So Notion, it is literally just one page which just has a data table in it, where each row is for one particular college with just 4 fields in it. That just basically allows me to track colleges easily, and also it's just easy in Notion. That's why I've done it there. And Google Drive, on the other hand, is used to write all of my essays. So basically in that I write all my essays because I just like the UI, and it's very easy to share those documents as well. So that's it. That's all my system has. It's just one page in Notion and like 2 or 3 folders in Google Drive. That's it. So let me show you how this system looks like in action. This is what my college dashboard looks like. It has every college in a particular row and has attributes attached to it. Like over here you can see tags, essays done, gone over website, deadline, and decision. Now just to let you know, this one is a normal text field that just comes in the data view. Tags is another one. Then this one is a status column. I can assign a status to it. This is status again. This is a calendar, and this is status once again. So essentially what this does is, by adding these attributes I can make new views. Like over here you can see essay progress, so I can basically sort them. Like if you want to sort this, you do sort, and it automatically asks you how you want to sort it. So I can do like essays done descending. If I want to go further, I can also add a filter. Let's just add another sort. So let's just say I sorted by name. Then you can see that it sorts it by name perfectly like that. You can also filter it, but I did not quite use that for this because I wanted to see almost all of them. It's only in waiting, rejected, and accepted that I want to see just those ones. So you can see, like if I just go through it so you can just see it, you can see all of it like this. And you can see that like in these ones I've used filter as highlighted over here. So I filtered it by where I've been accepted, rejected, and waitlisted like that. Then all of this feeds into my Google Drive, which is basically a few folders for all the essays. So Common App, that's just a normal essay for US colleges. Extracurriculars, a service project, and then UK and US essays. UK has one only because it has only one essay. And then US has all of these over here. So you can basically see how this works. Notion is used to sort of be like a get things done dashboard in a kind of way, where it sort of gives you a view of everything as a whole. And then Google Drive goes into the depths of each one, looking at each one individually. Now in case you want to create a similar thing in your own Notion page, what you have to do is create a new page first of all. So you don't want to be in one page. If you want to, you can do that as well. What you have to do is /table and go to database 1, because that one allows you to add views and all this kind of stuff. You can also select a data source in case you already have some, but you can also create a new database like this. So essentially over here, if you click on it, you can rename it. Let's say we say college name or university name, whatever you want to say. Then you have tags here. You start with none, but to create new ones, all you have to do is early decision. Let's say you just write that and then click enter, and that creates it. So you can have like early action, regular decision, and all that kind of stuff. And like if you ever want to change the colors, all you have to do is go over them and change the color like this. Then the status one comes over here. It's this. So you can create a status and then see everything like this. You can even hide it from the view if you don't want to see it, but I like to have these status things open. Like you can say like essay progress, and it happens like that. Now you may be wondering how to get the width to be maximum. Like over here you can see that it hasn't taken up the whole page, but here it's taken up the whole page. So what you have to do is you have to go to these 3 dots up here and go to full width. This will basically allow you to see everything very easily because you have a lot of attributes in this, and this makes it easier to see it. So essentially that's how I created my whole college dashboard. And yeah, that's it for my system. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you found it to be useful, be sure to like this video, and if you do use the system, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Now that I have been talking about colleges, I'll reveal where I am going for college. I'll be going to Purdue University for computer science. So there's that. Now if you did enjoy the video, be sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and if you want to be notified of all my future uploads, be sure to click the subscribe button down there. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.